What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 minute drill. Well, fun day in the market today, rather choppy, but the wolves still made it out alive and well. Okay, first, a little bit of housekeeping as usual. You haven't guys like and subscribe to the channel. Tell your mother, tell your father, tell everyone you know. Free goddamn alpha for your ass. And if you're in the community, you know we fucking killed it today. Telemundo branded to the community, or Telemonto branded the community, absolutely crushed. You got $400 here. We crush AMD. We called Mr. Banks AM Daddy because he crushed it. 500 here, 2,000 here. Guys, if you're not a part of the community already, hit the link in the bio. Come be a wolf, come trade. Best culture around, hands down, I guarantee it. Try us for at least a month. All right, but look, in a serious note, what do we expect for tomorrow? Okay, what do we expect for tomorrow? Well, today we got a nice sell day. I mean, if you look here, down about 2%. So we were down 8 at one point, down about 80 SPX handles. Was rather odd, right? Was rather odd. We had such a huge sell into the CPI print. Okay, one thing I do want to know about the last CPI print is look, we did have a little bit of a sell into it. This is the day before. This was the day of, right? Do you guys remember we gapped down massive? Okay. And then we rode the goddamn devil's boner. No, it's not even devil's, just Green Hulk boner all the way back up. So what does that mean for tomorrow? Okay. No idea. We sold off pretty massively. And if you're taking a peek here, still cup and handle still in full effect. Okay, still above where the 370 mark. Okay, the only thing that's a little bit worrisome for bulls here is 20-day moving average 375. We did close below it. Okay, we did close below it. So what does that mean for tomorrow? Well, I wish I could tell you that it means that we continue to head lower. If you're looking at the chart, it does. But unfortunately, anything can happen with the CPI print. The market can digest it any way possible. Okay, it could come at expectation and we go down. It could come above expectation, we go up. Who knows? So it's important to just play the chart and not your heart. Okay, so what that means is you'll want to know on the reaction of the data, where can we get to? Where can we get to? Okay, we knew this 374.75 was a big level, and we knew underneath there is going to be what? 370. So out of the gate tomorrow, I'd want to see, does 370 to 364 hold? Okay, does 370 to 364 hold? That's what I'll be looking at in the morning if we decide to go down on the reaction. Now, if we decide to go up, where I'd be looking first, okay, is 380. And then I'd be looking right above there, 382, 385. Okay, but guys, it does not matter what the data comes in at. I can't stress that. It does not matter because the jobs numbers came in hot last week. That should have meant bearish sentiment. That should have meant the Fed has to keep raising rates, and we went up. Okay, and we went up, right? So if you would have played your heart, it would have had you all fucked up. Or sorry, if you would have played, if you would have played your heart, had you all fucked up. Okay. So for tomorrow, guys, all I could say is this. Okay, you'll want to know previous days and highs, right? And the previous open and closes, you'll want to know where your MAs are at. Those are going to be important. Okay, they're going to be important. So this is what I will tell you. As for tomorrow, okay, look, all depends where we open, but levels where we know we can bounce. Okay, 370. Okay, you'll want to look at this super trend here. This one will be an interesting one. I haven't really used it as far as it being on the buy side yet. I just added it in to our charts here. Okay, so first time we had the daily candle flip to the buy side here. So it'll be interesting to see, does that hold tomorrow if we get down there? I want to see how that plays out. Okay, so look, 370, 367, 364, 360. Okay, 357, the lowest. If we break, look, underneath 364, no bueno. Okay, really under 370, no bueno. But 364, no good. Remember, that's what the bounce that ignited the rally. You guys see that here, right? After we had that CPI print, okay, then we got up to 375. Then we came down. After this bounce, we went up to basically break out of this range and start the rally again. Okay, now we have this back test here, 370, and now we've gone up. But we've gone above the 50-day moving average here, now back below. Okay, now back below. So it will be interesting what happens tomorrow. If you want to zoom out and just say, what does the week look like? Okay. It's not a bad thing. We're still holding the 5 MA. Okay, we're still holding the 5 MA. We opened up here. Was this our test of the 5 MA to maybe keep on pushing up? It's possible. It's possible. We never really spend a weekly candle away from the 5 MA. It's always good to try to get to it or touch it, right? So was this our touch here today? Right? I don't know. It's possible. Okay. Looking at the monthly candle, right? Just for the month of November. I know it's still early in the month, but it's good to see, right? This still a wick to the bottom here, right? Still a wick to the bottom, but we did open way, way, way up here on the month. All right. So just something to take into account. Do we get a fake down to 370 again and then maybe a nice wick down to the bottom? I don't know. Okay, take it into account. But look, daily chart. Okay, daily chart levels. You'll need to let the market digest after its move. You know it's going to move in the morning. It's going to move directional, one direction. Okay, 5+ points minimum. Okay, 5+ points minimum. It will move in one direction. Okay, and that's minimum. So look, underneath 375, 370, 376, watch this super trend, 364, 360, 357. Under 370 is really a warning shot for bulls. They don't bounce at 364, which I would definitely look to take a long here. Okay, just depending where we open or where the where the data comes out at where the market is. Okay, I'll probably look to take a long here. Okay, underneath 364 though, we have 357. Under 357 is fucking lights out. Pack your bags up, bulls. New lows. Here we come. Above 375 though, 374, 375. Look, 378. That's 50-day moving average. Okay, 378, 380, 382, 385, and now the 100-day moving average is right here at that 389. We know that huge. It's huge. You're fired. It's huge. Okay, look. That was a horrible impression. Please leave in the comments if you hate me. Look, 390 still a short for me. That's still a short level. Now, that's not saying we reverse there, but that's a definite short level. Above 390, we go 396, 400, 403, 408. Thanks for playing, y'all. Wake up early. Don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.